that is the descendant of the Hammer. Certainly, even though other AMG models have overshadowed the E63 in recent years, the predecessor arguably put Mercedes' firm from Affalterbach on the map. The 500e, affectionately known as the Hammer, was performed away of 1991 to year 1994 and kickstarted the thought of a performance-tuned, factory-built version of Mercedes' otherwise everywhere middle-size sedan. The E55 AMG of the 90s substantiate the theory further. It doesn't first model to have this particular version of AMG's 4.0-liter V8, offering the twin-scroll turbocharger rather than the single-scroll product seen in the AMG Grand Touring. That growth contributes to an incredible 563 horsepower in the E63 and 603 Hewlett-Packard in the E63s. That may put that into perspective. The twin-turbo V12 in the 65 AMG models produces 621 horsepower. Naturally, that engine still has a considerable torque benefit, but 553 and 627 pound-feet, correspondingly, is little or not sneeze at. Nor is the E63's 0 to 60 mph estimate of 3 seconds. The 2018 E63 is also the first AMG with the new 9-speed Speedshift MCT transmission, while its sport-tuned adaptive delay pause now has air sections at all 4 tires. The previous E63 had them only at the start. The divide between the suspension's 3 settings is said to now be greater, which should help ride comfort. Another exploratory factor is AMG's new 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system. Certainly damaged by those who balked at a high-powered AMG engine having its tire smoking, tail-out tendencies neutered, 4MATIC Plus brings a brand new contest mode in the E63s that decouples the forward axle completely. Hilarity will ensue, although we're informed there are certain severe instances when the front rims will re-enter to save your bread. Besides their new, hooligan race function, 4MATIC Plus also gains a fully changing torque brake cup. Whereas the current 4MATIC system non-payments to a 33% entrance, 67% rear-end revolt split, this can constantly vary itself centered on traction and drive function, comfort, sport and sport plus. A limited slip differential box, mechanical in the E63 and electronic in the E63s, effectively manages RPM vectoring left to right.